Hi, we're the students from Stroudsburg Junior High School, and we're at United Envelope to find out
what's so cool about manufacturing.
I am the operations manager, and the operations manager oversees the plant floor, the 240 union employees and 40 salary employees. My job is to make sure envelopes go out in delivery on time, and to make sure everybody works safe and the quality of the envelopes are perfect. We make about 15 million envelopes on average a day, and about 5.3 billion envelopes a year, which in turn makes us the second largest envelope manufacturing facility in America.
My name is Steve Bunker, and I'm Executive Vice President at United Envelope. We've been here in Mount Pocono for a little over 22 years, and during that time, we've raised our employment from 25 people to 300. We've never had a layoff in the 22 plus years.
I'm the shipping manager for United Envelope, and I have about 8 employees underneath me that work directly for me. The reason I like my job so much is because I get to touch the lives of every person that gets an envelope every day. I actually see 30 to 40 million envelopes cross my dock every day.
So I'm the safety manager here. So that means, like I said, I'll train employees. I make sure that there's no hazards present in the workplace to expose employees to dangers. So for me, safety related things, I make sure that nothing's getting exposed to the community.
I got a high school degree, and I also went to Monroe Career Technical Institute for 3 years, and I got a certificate in graphic design there for the graphic communications course. We pre-flight all kinds of files and artwork that comes in. Like I said, we make sure everything's top shape before we send it out to go on press, and we correct things and make sure the art looks good.